there. So you have probably heard people say mutual fund X delivered a better results than its benchmark. If you are new to the world of mutual funds, you might be wondering what exactly is benchmark index. Well, that's a great question. Imagine a benchmark index as a reference point. It's like a measuring stick that helps you to see how well a mutual fund is doing. Think of it as a basket of securities representing a particular part of the market, like large cap stocks. When you compare a mutual fund's returns to its benchmark index, you get a clear picture of how well a fund is performing compared to the broader market it's invested in. Pretty straightforward, right? For example, if you have got a large cap mutual fund, it might be benchmark against something like the Nifty 50 index, which tracks the 50 largest companies in India. This way, you can easily see if the fund is beating the market or lagging behind. But why is benchmarking so important? Let's break it down. First, performance comparison. Imagine you scored 40 marks in an exam. Is that good? Is that bad? Hard to say without knowing what your friend scored, right? That's why we need a benchmark to compare things. By benchmarking, you can see if your mutual fund is doing better or worse than the market it's supposed to beat. After all, you are investing in active funds because you want to generate alpha. Basically, you want your fund to outperform the market. Benchmarking help you to check if that's happening. Next, risk assessment. Benchmarks also help you to evaluate how well your fund is doing, considering the level of risk it's taking. By comparing the fund's risk adjusted returns to the benchmark, you can figure out if the returns are worth the risk. And trust me, we will dive into those metrics like Sharpe ratio in another video. Then there is investment strategy alignment. Benchmark give you insights into the fund's strategy and goals. Typically, funds pick the benchmark that closely match their investment focus, asset allocation, and where they are investing geographically. So by comparing a fund to its benchmark, you can see if the fund manager is sticking to the strategy they promised. And lastly, setting realistic expectations. Benchmarks help you to set the right expectations for your investments. By looking at the benchmark historical performance, you can establish a baseline for the expected returns. This way, you can see if the fund is on track to meet those expectations over time. So there you have it. Benchmark indexes might seem like a small detail, but they play a huge role in helping to make informed decisions about your mutual fund investments. Thanks for watching. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more financial insights.